Well, alright. We're back. Part 2. Today I will take a second try blacksmithing. So, yesterday, or day before yesterday, I attempted to make a knife for the first time. Didn't go perfectly, but I'm proud of it because it was my first attempt. But I have many a complaint. So, first thing I would change this time is I'm probably going to focus more on getting the shape of the knife out first with the hammer and then try and grind it out afterwards. I'm going to wait for it to get a lot harder before I start trying to work the steel. And I have a few other things, but today I'm just going to start over. Last time I made this, and for my first try, I mean, it's not the worst. Could be a lot worse. But it's also not the best. So instead of tempering this and heat treating it and sharpening it, I'm just going to move on to another one and see if I can fix the major flaws. So, yeah, I mean, that's what I'm going to try and do today. Hopefully get a little bit better at blacksmithing. Hopefully learn something new. So, this is what we made last time. And for my first attempt, I'm proud of it, I guess. Not necessarily of the product, but just that I figured out how to even heat the steel, how to make a forge, and how to work metal. So, yeah, I'm proud of it for that reason, but there are definitely plenty of flaws. Alright, so this was the design for the forge yesterday, and it did the trick. It got it hot, but not quite hot enough, and not quite fast enough. So, we're going to see what we can do to change up this design a little bit to make it work. One thing we're going to do is we're going to make the interior narrower so that the coals can pile up on the metal better. And we're going to figure out a way to protect the blow jar that we have with this can in a more proper way so that we can get more air running to it. So I'm going to set that up really quick, and yeah. Alright, so this is the new setup. As you can see, it is one brick wide now, and then we have these at an angle so that the coals will pile up on the metal when we put it in. My hands are all ashy. But for now, I can't get started yet because there's a pipe that we need to attach to the blow dryer to protect it from the heat because it got a little melted last time. So I gotta go out to my grandparents' house, help my dad unload some stuff out there, and they might possibly have a pipe that we need. So, yeah, I'll be right back. How does it feel to be in a vlog?
Nice.
It feels nice?
Yeah.
A blacksmith vlog.
Oh, uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable? Oh, God. Look at this axe that I found in my grandma's stuff. That's sick. Better than anything I can make. I bet you could really hack some skulls with that. You having fun?
This is way more safe.
I bet it is. It has armrests.
My head touches the ceiling.
That's probably not safe.
Yeah, it is. And it won't break my neck.
You're not going with us, right?
No.
Yeah.
It just pushes my head into my body. In Mortal Kombat.
Well, that's really safe.
Yeah.
The safest place for your head is in your body.
Yeah, nobody would want it to be like that. Because you can't, because it doesn't go past this point.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Alright, well, you should get out of here so Mom doesn't see you and realize that she has to stay home with you.
Where am I gonna go? I should just hop through the window.
You should just run around back and sprint
it's too
downstairs.
wet, dude. I'll wear Sophie's shoes.
Smart. He got drip.
Wow. Dang, guys, it was a total mission success. So, went to my grandma's house and asked her for the stuff, and she, Grandpa, let me use this metal square pipe thing, and that's what I'm going to be putting the blow dryer in. So we're going to tape it at one end to keep the air in, and they gave me something extra. Grandpa gave me this, and this is going to be perfect for a project. It's incredibly heavy steel, very thick, and it's going to be a lot better than the rebar that I'm currently using. So we're going to set up the fire and hopefully get started. I would also like to point out that we have a bucket of water nearby in case any sparks light a small fire or anything. We need to put it out quickly because somebody got burned. So we are thinking about safety. Had it in the last video, but I forgot to mention it. So this is our weak little $14 blow dryer. As you can tell, the nozzle was getting absolutely destroyed. But hopefully with this much pipe, it should be protected. So I guess we'll see if it's powerful enough then. Oh yeah, we got good air coming out. Alright, so I was recommended by a friend who is far more experienced at this than me to hold the hammer a little bit lower so that I can let the weight do the work. Now, I know it's a little bit confusing considering my massive masculine biceps, but I am quite weak and new at this, so if I were to do that, I'd probably be throwing the hammer all over the place, putting all sorts of dents in it, so I'm going to focus now on striking true. So, it's going to take me My brother thinks it's really silly that I'm filming myself, and he's sitting over there laughing, but, you know? You think it's funny? Did you see that? I poured it incorrectly this time.
Yeah, freaking sucked last time. Freaking sucked!
There we go, boys. We got our fire going. Forging phase is done. As you can tell, I got a little bit more of a recurve on the handle this time than I did last time. But I also beveled it out a lot thinner on the blade side than I did last time. And yeah, I mean, I think I did better this time than I did last time, but I guess we'll see when we grind it out. Alright guys, after some belt sanding, this is what we got for the profile. I didn't do too good of a job not getting dents in it. As you can see, there's plenty of places that I had a lot of hard time grinding out. But for my second time, I mean, it's definitely an improvement from the last time, so I'll take it. I mean, I definitely like the look of this one a lot better, and yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can't make a wedge and stand up this belt sander and put a bevel on it, and then I'll be back. Alright, we have successfully beveled it, and this one, I don't know if you can see, this one definitely turned out better than the last one. This one looks very, very nice. I'm happy with the way this turned out, and I guess it only gets better from here. So I still have a few complaints, but yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to try and heat treat it and temper it and quench it to get it harder, and then I'm going to see if I can sharpen it and see how good I can get these things. But I'm definitely satisfied with this. This is a fun hobby.